Hey, it's me. In this video, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of turmeric on your health, okay? Now, the main reason why this is so popular and so many people are using it is because it actually can get rid of inflammation, help you lose weight, improves the skin, improves the cognitive function, the memory, and it can improve your mood. Now, why does it do that? Because of an active ingredient called curcumin, okay? Curcumin actually protects something called the beta cells. Those are the cells in the pancreas that regulate insulin. There's even a study that shows that curcumin can regrow the beta cells of the pancreas. That's huge. And it also helps prevent going from a pre-diabetic condition to actual diabetes. Why? Because it improves insulin resistance, because it targets the cells of the pancreas. So make sure you include it in your diet. You can even take it as a supplement, but it has great factors. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, a lot of you already have my book, some of you don't, but this new edition called the New Body Type Guide is an upgrade from my last edition called the 7 Principles of Fat Burning. It has 156 images, 378 pages, full glossary. I talk about keto, intermittent fasting, the body types in detail. I have a new stress chapter. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and a comprehensive FAQ. I put a link down below. Check it out.